Hi, I want to let you know about a pension benefit that you may not know exists. It's called the over 80s pension. And let's have a look at what it is and where you can find out more information. So I'm on the gov.uk pension, the gov.uk website. And of course, if you just kind of go onto the gov.uk website and Google or search for, your over 80s pension, you'll hit this web page. And this is where it's going to give you an overview of what it is and how you can actually claim. So it's a state pension benefit available for 80-year-olds or over, and you must either get a basic state pension of less than £85 per week or no basic state pension at all. Now, if that is you or you know someone is, what will someone actually get? Well, it depends on what state pension benefit they're going to get. As I say, is less than, if you get £85 or less, you can get the top up, or if you don't get anything, you could get the full amount of £85. The eligibility criteria is also listed out here. You've got to be over 80. You've got to be resident in the UK for at least 10 years out of 20, and you've got to be ordinarily resident in the UK, the Isle of Man or Gibraltar on your 80th birthday. So how do you actually claim? Again, there's some information on the website. You can either go to you contact your pension centre or your local job centre plus. And the pension centre here, details are on the contact the pension service available here. Hope this is useful to you or maybe someone that you know, especially as there's times of possibly hardship for people on low incomes, that they make sure that they are claiming all the credits that they deserve and the benefits that are available to them. I'm Justin King. I'm a chartered and certified financial planner, and my aim is to help people live successful lives. That often involves understanding your money. Hope that's been of use. If it has been, please press the like button so more people like you find my channel, and obviously subscribe so you can be notified of when we put out new videos. For now, I'm Justin King. Bye-bye.